Honorable Minister for Employment, invite our Talatala to say a word of prayer.
Bulavinaka, and a very good day to you all. I'm happy to be here this morning to officiate at the handover of youth grants and also to present the registration certificate for the Saru Youth Club. At the outset, let me thank the youths of Saru for this welcome ceremony. And also, let me state that these grants are not a handout, but a hand up, designed to grow our youth's business by giving them funds to achieve their dreams and aspirations. And during the current global and national downturn due to the COVID-19 pandemic, it is important that we as government and as a nation continue to dream, continue to innovate, continue to think and plan ahead, ways and means of keeping our economy growing and adding to it. Ladies and gentlemen, one of our recipients is none other than Seremaya Korei of Saru village Lautoka. He is 32 years of old and has been in the Angona business for the past 2 years. Selling kava from his home was his way to earn income for his extended family and help his wife, who was the only one working in his household. This has helped his family with the everyday living and for the education of his family members. After setting up a kava canteen shop, he did a business training workshop with Ministry for Youth and Sports under New Business Creation course. And this was the main reason, according to him, that he was able to learn more concepts of running a business as an individual. Korei said, and I ate. It was at a 1 week's training course, and this business training has helped me a lot on how to write up a business plan and the importance of discipline in the operation of a business. It was an eye-opening experience for me and gave me confidence to work on my kava canteen. I'm happy of the training opportunity from the Ministry for Youth and Sports. Ladies and gentlemen, government through Ministry of Youth and Sports gave Korei $4,980 worth of stock to rebuild and expand his business with employment opportunities for the youth in Saru. Congratulations, Korei. Ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I would like to thank all of you for your presence here and showing your support to this young man. Can we all put our hands together and congratulate him? Because of him, we are here this morning. And I want to wish Seremaya all the best in his future endeavors. Vinaka, thank you.
To thank the Lord for this wonderful occasion, for giving this wonderful weather, for giving this wonderful opportunity by the Minister of Youth. Without the Lord, anything is impossible, but I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Lord this morning. Secondly, it's an honor to be part of the National Youth Program with Minister of Youth. I'm very humbled to have our minister coming down to Saru this morning to be part of this program. We hardly see this opportunity. Young people, we see the minister. You can only see the minister in the parliament, but now we see him face to face. So it's really humbling, and I hope that we are very grateful that we have this opportunity to have our youth minister with us this morning. In this difficult time that we are having, the COVID-19 pandemic, I know it's a hard time for young people due to unemployment, but I would like to thank the Minister of Youth for this wonderful opportunity to be here and to continue to inspire the youth, showing their support throughout the youth for the nation. The cover shop, the cover business started, as mentioned by the minister, last 2 years. I was unemployed, and I thought of running a small business to provide income to support my family. After going through the training with the Ministry of Youth, it has opened ideas, and also I've thought of trying to open a cover shop in trying to inspire young people in the village. I was wanting to empower young people, just to show them that young people, we can do something worthwhile. I think this village, we have a high crime rate, and this is one of the projects that I was planning, and I was trying to inspire the young people to come away from crime, and we can do a more and a much better thing in life. I think this village is also well known of the Saru Dragon Rugby League Club. We have produced young talents who have gone overseas to play. From discipline, we can do it. I think we have some Saru Dragons rugby league players sitting here also with the young people, and I hope that with the small project that has been initiated, it will empower all of us, the young people that are seated here. And I was planning, my vision is to provide employment for some young people who are not working. They can at least come and be shopkeepers, and if we go down, extend to the market, some young people can go and sell from the market. That is all the plan that I want to empower the young people with of Saru. With those few words, I would like to once again thank the Minister of Youth for this wonderful opportunity. I pray that Almighty God will shower His blessing throughout the work of the Minister of Youth, the work of the Minister, all the projects that he'll be visiting, and He will shower His blessing to all the young people, Fiji, and us sitting here in this tent, the youth of Saru. And He will continue to support us in anything that we need. He is the provider, He is the source. And with those few words, vinakapakalibu.
Set, action time. Informal.